Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to remove a payment method on Doordash app. It is a very simple thing to do. For this, first open the Doordash app. On the Doordash app, in the bottom you will see home, grocery, retail, browse, order options. On the top you will see your profile icon, here bell icon and your card icon. From here, just select the profile icon. After selecting the profile icon, you will redirect it to your account section. From here, just tap on the payment section, payment options, and you will see your available payment options here. If you want to remove anyone from here, just swipe it and you will see an option delete. Just tap on it and your payment method will be removed. And that's how you can remove a payment method from your Doordash app.